All right, people, we're going to talk about the most dangerous skateboards we've ever skated at Braille. Number one, I'll just take it away. I think it was the Axe skateboard. This was super dangerous. I skated this with John Hill, and it took him like 70 tries, but he managed to do a kickflip on it. That was super sick.
Oh. Yeah! Woo, that counts. Yeah. He did it. Oh, I count that.
Yeah, don't count it, because it was sketch. What? Come on, that was perfect.
And then there was one time we were filming at the half pipe, the quarter pipe there, and he went up and like went too far, and the thing came right at my face. That was super freaky.
Sorry. Oh. Are you good?
I'm okay.
What? I'm sorry. Maybe we should axe the axle.
No, I can stand on that side.
Dude, are you good?
I'm okay. It didn't touch me.
Went flying at you.
But nobody got hurt. Everybody lived. I don't think any blood was drawn in that video. But that was the Axe board, most dangerous skateboard, number one. Another one that was dangerous, the chainsaw blade.
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
Someone got hurt.
But what was it like to skate the chainsaw?
It was very hard to put together. We had to use a lot of tape so that the chain wouldn't fall off.
Oh yeah. But yeah, Kelly did some crazy tricks. He like aired out of the bowl on it.
It's going down.
Oh! I think you drew some blood on that, right?
Probably.
Yeah, you definitely did.
I think in my hand, yeah, I tried to do the Fetty pickup and cut my hand open. I still have the scar. It's right there.
Nothing stops Fetty.
Didn't you hurt Doug with the Buzzsaw board?
Yes, that's the next one. Number 3 most dangerous skateboards we've ever skated is the Buzzsaw skateboard. We basically went to Home Depot, and Aaron and I were like trying to buy different things to skate on, and we came across this Buzzsaw, and we're like, should we do this? And we thought about it for like 10 minutes. We're like, I don't know if this is a good idea or not. And I finally was like, you know what? The fact that we're like so anxious about it means we need to just do it. So we bought it, we put trucks on it, and we were at a skate park where there was like lots of people around, so we were really nervous not to like hurt anybody. We were being super careful every time. Everything was going cool though. I started to feel comfortable because nothing was going wrong. So that initial like scary phase like wore off. And then Doug went on the floor to get a shot of Aaron doing like a 3-shove, and then the board shot out, and it basically went into Doug's back and cut him right next to his bump.
Okay, I'm off your ass. Did I pop it?
It hit your back?
No, you're cut. You are cut legitimately bad.
So that was funny. And then at that point it was like, man, Aaron felt so bad. I felt bad. But Doug was okay. I think he's fine.
Yeah, he still comes to the Braille party.
He still comes to the Braille party, so I'm pretty sure we're on good terms. Next, razor blade skateboard.
Yeah, I guess so. I mean,
anybody get hurt on that? Oh yeah, a little blood was drawn.
Yeah, Troy threw a razor at me.
Wasn't some blood drawn at the end?
Yeah, Troy threw a razor at me.
That's what happened?
Yeah, Len.
Stuck in my hand. Troy just threw a razor blade at me, and I caught it with my thumb.
Fetty blades, look at that.
You touched it.
Troy, well, that's what happens when you play with razor blades. It wasn't that dangerous, but a razor blade did get stuck in Fetty's hand. And the worst part is that razor blades were littered across the Braille house.
Everywhere.
But we did sweep everything up. We made sure that no razor blades were left behind. But it was actually surprisingly not that dangerous.
The baseball bat with barbed wire.
Oh yeah,
I
let's talk about that.
But
Oh, you weren't there for that?
no.
Yes, we did skate a baseball bat with barbed wire. That was pretty dangerous. A couple of the tricks they were trying were super dangerous, like trying to get onto a rail and like board slide it down. That was freaking sketchy as hell.
Is there a way that I can just, if there's, oh, there we go. I'm just gonna run and jump onto it.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh, that was so scary, dude.
One more go. Oh my, dude, I gotta like jump more straight over it. It like falls like super easy. Oh, yeah, see? Okay, dude. I don't think I like want to do it.
You know, if there's death involved, then it's okay to tap out. But I don't think anyone got super hurt on that, but there's always that risk factor. But luckily we skated with really talented people in that video, so everybody was okay. Then we did skate the knife skateboard.
Oh yeah, the big knife blade.
Yeah, remember that?
That was sketchy.
Did you get hurt on that?
No.
What was that like to skate?
I was afraid to kickflip the 3, but I did it.
Yeah, that was sick.
It could have went up. It would have been bad.
That was sick though. You killed that.
The titanium board made Doug bleed.
Oh yeah, that was bad. That was the worst shinner of all time. But yeah, we skated a board made out of solid titanium, and Doug did a trick that went into his shins, and it like gashed out his shin, and he was bleeding.
Can I forfeit?
I mean, no, but Doug can.
I'm still going.
So that was bad. Pretty much though, Doug, anything we skate is a dangerous board because he will get it to his shins somehow or another.
Yeah, Doug's here always on like the most dangerous days.
Yeah, we gotta plan something good for this weekend.
Something super dangerous, huh?
We got the barbed wire still.
Yeah, we haven't done the barbed wire
wanna make that,
skateboard. Okay, speaking of Doug in danger,
The
the
nailboard.
Nailboard. This is the top #2 dangerous board of all time.
I think, yeah, it's up there.
Because you got impaled on that, right?
I got a cut in my ankle shin.
Oh yeah, you got a cut in your ankle
I
shin.
still have the scar.
Dude, that's brutal. Luke, can you really get the first aid kit?
Oh, that's deep.
Dude.
Yeah, that's just a cut tattoo. Is that what happened on the 3 shot?
Yeah.
And it straight up went through Doug's shoes into his foot.
It was like his heel, yeah.
And there was blood coming out into his sock.
That went through.
You felt that?
That went through.
No way.
Let it out.
That went through? What do you mean it went through?
I felt it.
No. There's blood?
No! Doug! I told you!
And that was crazy. And you took that down the 5 stair.
Yeah, and I just skated it recently again, too.
Dude, what is up with that? Like, is it not scary to skate that?
Mind over matter.
I think what would make it safer is if there was like twice as many nails.
Can you imagine if they did the nails the other way?
So it was going down? So
Yeah,
if you missed your trick,
Yeah.
oh, that's the next board we got to create.
Can't even grind that, like
That's like-
slide that.
If you're watching this video and you want to make that, all the nails going down, so if you miss
Through
your
the
trick,
grip
you
tape?
land on the nails, please send it to skateit@brailleskateboarding.com because we will skate
I think that'd
that.
be worse.
And if you want to send us one on both sides, you can definitely do that as well.
No.
Someone was making us a hot coal skateboard, and I'm waiting for that. Now, the #1 most dangerous skateboard I think that we've ever skateboarded is the glass skateboard.
What about the glass wheels?
Well, that's what I was going to
Ew.
say. First, the glass skateboard kickflip that you did.
I tried to kickflip it. I didn't even pop.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure if this is safe.
Just do it.
But then he took the wheels and he went down the 5 stair.
They all broke on the ollie. Yeah, and I rode away.
Well, you get that Jamba Juice.
That first glass skateboard wasn't that bad. We had already skated one, so we pretty much knew what to expect. But it did shatter.
That's why I went straight to the kickflip.
Yeah, we went straight to the kickflip. But the #1 most dangerous moment in Braille skateboarding history, and possibly
Before I was here.
yeah, before Fetty was here, it was insane. It was the first time we ever skated the glass board. We set it up. We rode it around and we thought, oh, this isn't so bad. I was even thinking like maybe we'll get a kickflip on this. Maybe we'll get a tray flip. I was starting to think like it was way more solid than we thought. So we're like, okay, well, let's do a drop in because that's safer than a kickflip or anything like that. And then boom, unexpectedly, the whole thing shattered. Huge charge of glass flew everywhere and Aaron fell right into all the glass.
No.
Oh my god. So bad.
It didn't kickflip.
Aaron.
That was freaking insane. And the fact that he did not get cut is a miracle, but he did get a massive bruise on his hip just from the impact of not landing on his board and going straight to the ground.
Well, I would take that over a giant piece of glass going into my spleen.
Yes, that definitely could have ended up in the hospital. So no blood was drawn during that video. We made it out alive. So that's pretty much the most dangerous skateboards that we've ever skated and probably have ever been made. Chris Chan did make one that was pretty crazy that has like razor blades and other stuff coming out of it. So that definitely belongs up there.
You forgot the flamethrower one.
We did skate the flamethrower. It was somewhat dangerous. We need to revisit that because we didn't quite have it figured out.
On fire.
Board on fire.
We did skate a board on fire.
We skated the board that could have blew up, but it didn't.
We've skated a lot of other ones, but those would be the toppy tops.
Most memorable.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed these dangerous skateboards. Almost all of these videos came from the You Make It, We Skate It series, so these are boards that you made for us. Despite the fact that you're secretly trying to kill us, we really appreciate that you guys took the time to create these boards and send it to us. And if you have something that you want to send it to skateit@brailleskateboarding.com, the details and a picture, and then we'll reach out to you and we'll send you the address and you can send us the board. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have other videos you'd like to see, leave it in the comments below. Feel free to leave any kind of feedback. We'll definitely check it out. Subscribe to the Braille channel, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.